Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the recovery email from your Telegram account on your PC step by step. If you've added a recovery email for two-step verification and want to remove or change it, you can do it directly from Telegram Desktop. So let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your PC. Sign in to your Telegram account if you haven't already. Next, click the three-line menu in the top left corner. From the menu, select Settings. Now, click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the two-step verification section. If two-step verification is enabled, click Manage or Change Password, depending on your version of Telegram. Enter your two-step verification password when prompted. You'll now see your recovery email information. If Telegram gives you the option to change recovery email, you can replace it with a different email address. If you want to remove the recovery email completely, click Turn Off Two-Step Verification. Confirm your decision and enter your password if prompted. Once two-step verification is disabled, the recovery email associated with it will also be removed from your Telegram account. If you later decide to enable two-step verification again, you can set a new recovery email during the setup process. And that's it. You've successfully removed the recovery email from your Telegram account on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips, messaging app tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next one.